I'm Lian from SUPERSHINE Robot. Today I'm glad to introduce our remote controller mower. We are remote controller mower factory, and if you want this product, please contact us.